Hello kids, today we will draw a yummy ice cream cone. Let's start step by step. First, draw a cone at the bottom. On the top of the cone, draw a big ice cream swirl. Next, draw crisscross lines inside the cone to make the design. Trace all the lines with a marker to make them bold. Now let's color it together. Yellow color. Fill the cone with yellow color. Color. Fill the ice cream with pink color. Tasty ice cream cone drawing is ready.